Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. It is early in the morning and I'm getting ready to have a cup of coffee from a company by the name of Cometeer. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Cometeer is a completely new way of making coffee. Nothing else like this exists on the market. It is the only 100% brewed coffee that's flash frozen to lock in freshness. Monthly shipments come right to your door with new roasters and roasts each month. Keep the capsules in the freezer and simply melt into the beverage of your choice, hot or cold. I'm choosing Mocha Java because I love the notes. This is so convenient. No mess, no stress. High quality coffee at home. Okay, y'all, so I have my coffee here. And it's really good. This one is the Mocha Java. And this one has notes of dark chocolate, almonds, and berries. So this is a dark blend. For a limited time, you can get a free fellow tumbler, $30 value when you use my code Sharika GWP at Cometeer.com. So I'm gonna finish my cup of coffee and get some work done. Okay, y'all. Really quick, I want to show you guys a new book that I recently picked up from Amazon. Amazon recommended it to me from some other books that I purchased. So I grabbed the Sarah Jakes Roberts Woman Evolved. Y'all know I love her so. I listen to her every week. And I grabbed this book. I did post this on Instagram and a lot of women said that this was an amazing book. I think it came out 2021. So I'm super excited to try this. So I'm going to read a little this morning and get my day started. Good morning. Today is Friday. I am on my way to drop my son off to school and then I'm going to the gym for an hour. I have a lot of stuff going on today. All of it's not going to make it to the internet. Of course, y'all know how I am. I don't overshare, but I do have a lot of stuff going on today. Also have some fun stuff that I'm going to do today that I will share with you guys. So my little sister is here. Well, she's not little no more, girl. She is a grown woman. She's here. We're going to go to the gym and then we're going to go to the beach. We're going to take our canvases out there. We're going to just paint, just chill, just vibe out. And we're going to take you guys with us. So I thought that that would be really fun. We did look for the canvases that were traced yesterday. We didn't go. Where did we go? We went to Walmart because I Googled it. It said they had some in Walmart, but I didn't see any. So we'll probably try Michael's this morning. If not, we're going to still just pack up the canvases that we have, the blank canvases. And then we're going to just take them out there, catch a cute little vibe at the beach, do our little sister thing, probably grab some lunch. So we're going to take you guys with us. Look, y'all, so really quick, I'm in Kohl's, and these are the bras that I wear, the Bali Lace Desire bras, because they don't have any padding. They're usually like $48, but they're on sale today for $24.99. So I have the tan one and the black one, but I think I'm gonna get probably like another black one and then this color right here. So yeah, I know I get a lot of questions about what bra I wear, and these are the bras. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing to the beach. Whole outfit is from H&M, including the hat. The shades are from Free People, and let me show you guys the fragrance of the day. It is the Giorgio Armani Aqua di Giuria, I think that's how you pronounce it. And for the sunscreen, I'm wearing my Shiseido sunscreen. So there's the canvases back there. We were supposed to do this last night, but we decided not to because we were watching a movie. So we're gonna try to do this today. Hopefully it's not too hot and we can sit out there for a little while, but just probably get us some cute little drinks. And then we might get some sushi, we're not too sure, but it's the look. Really cute, really chill, really light. So I shouldn't burn up too bad. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the beach. All right, y'all. So we're in the car. I'm sweating already. It's so hot. Khalila's here.
Hi.
So first stop, we're gonna stop and get some sushi from Publix. We'll just get some from Publix because their sushi is pretty good. So we're gonna get some sushi from Publix. I have some wine back there. We have all of our little goodies. We probably won't use those easels because I brought a sheet. Dang, I forgot. Can you unlock the garage?
Unlock it?
Yeah, just hit that button up there.
Oh.
But we probably won't use those because, can y'all see me? We probably won't use those because we have the sheet and it probably won't stand up. So we'll probably just lay the canvases flat. On the other side, yeah. Lift it up. Now hit the button. Now hit the big button if you turn the switch up. That switch on the left hand side, flip it up. I'm trying to unlock the garage. I won't be able to tell until I get home and look at footage. But we're at the beach. Getting ready to do our thing. These are the shoes that I'm wearing. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I got these from Zara last year. We bought some wine out here. And then here's our sushi. We're gonna eat this now before the dirt starts flying. And then we also bought some fruit out here. Here's our canvases. Our little blanket has dirt all over it, but it's okay. So we're gonna eat first, talk a little, and then we'll start painting. Okay, y'all, we made it back home. I have on my house dress. It was so hot out there, y'all, but it was a lot of fun. It was still like, it was cloudy, so it wasn't as hot because it gets really hot here. Yeah. But girl, we was out there struggling, okay? But we made it. It was a good time. We stayed out there for probably like an hour. Y'all saw the paintings. Let me get them so y'all can see them again. But y'all, we couldn't find the canvases with the sketch on them. I did find some on Amazon, but we went to Michael's and we went to Walmart yesterday. We couldn't find any. So we found these pictures on Google. Then we left the pencils so we couldn't like draw it out first. So we just freestyled it. But this is the picture that we used from Google. So this is mine because like I said, we didn't have any pencils to sketch it in. This is Khalila's. Khalila's is so adorable. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. So here's the picture.
And that's without sketching it.
Yes.
I think we both did good.
Yeah, I think we did good. We did good. So yeah,
yeah,
we're getting better. The more and more you do it, the better. I do like using the acrylic paint because it dries really fast and it's easy. It's easier to paint over it with different colors, so we really like that. So this is going to be a short vlog today, y'all, because little Tony has a formal to go to today. The 8th grade formal, so y'all know that's just like a middle school mini prom type situation. He has his suit, she has her cute dress, like prom night tonight. So Tony went to go get some stuff for her, and then they need to vacuum up the bins because of course we got a bunch of dirt in there from the beach. And then we're gonna go pick her up. They're gonna take pictures and do their thing. So y'all know I don't really put my kids and stuff like that on the internet. Definitely not putting nobody else's child on the internet. So that's what we're getting ready to do right now. I am starving. You hungry? Mm-hmm. Me too. So we'll probably go in here and fix us something to eat really quick until it's time to go. I got so much dirt in my other camera, so I need to clean that out. Let me show y'all. I lost the piece to my camera, but look at all this dirt. I do have a brush that I can just use to clean it out, but it's full of dirt. But I did all this for y'all, so I hope y'all appreciate this, okay? Because this camera wasn't cheap and I got dirt in it trying to get footage for my girls, but it's all good. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to fix us something to eat really quick. I'm gonna do some salmon in the air fryer. Let me just take it out of the Ziploc. And then I'll probably just eat it with like some sliced cucumbers, because I really like the way that that tastes. So I know it might sound weird to some people, but I've been snacking on that lately. Alright, let me get all of my ingredients, guys. Let me see, I might have to switch it up a little bit because alright, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit because I don't have my smoked paprika, so I'm just gonna use some regular paprika. Just sprinkle that on. But I love smoked paprika, but we're all out, and I do season both sides. I'm gonna use some of this sweet and smoky rub. Kalila, open that door for them, please. Must be just little Tony. I'm gonna use lemon pepper seasoning. A garlic powder. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of the salmon seasoning. And I'm gonna just do the same thing to the other side and pop this in the air fryer. Okay, and this is my air fryer. Those of you that's new to the channel, I talk about this air fryer all the time because we just recently purchased it and I love it. I cook everything that I'm able to cook in this air fryer. I love it so much. So right now it's just preheating, and then once it gets to the proper temperature, it'll just buzz and tell you to add the food. So with the fish, it's about 7 to 10 minutes in here, and then it's cooked completely. It's so good, y'all. I love this thing. It's a little loud, I must admit, but I love it. I do want to get like the different accessories to go with it. I have seen them in the store, like the grill, and then a few other little accessories that you can add to it. So I do plan on doing that, but I will have the link to this air fryer in the description box if you guys are interested, because it's my favorite. Alright, y'all see how it says add food? So we're just gonna open this up and add the salmon. Look, y'all. Look how pretty that salmon is. And I am so hungry. Whew. Alright, y'all. So this is what I'll be having for lunch. I usually do some Caesar dressing on the side to dip my cucumbers in, and then I just eat my salmon like this, and it's really good. So yeah, I love this. All right, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab, and I'll see you guys on the next one.